Can you all see my screen properly?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to take a work branch. To all new students, please install MySQL in your system. Okay. Right now I'm taking class regarding MySQL. Okay. I will send you the link, YouTube link through which you can install it. Right. So this was the earlier thing that we discussed. Okay, now moving on to the next thing. Today we will be using some, actually getting familiarized with some inbuilt functions. Okay, this was the earlier thing that I took on previous Saturday. Okay, so here I have used this, I have made this database DB1. Okay, create database DB1, right? To all new students, I want to tell you that actually in case of SQL, what happens is that we used to create a database. Okay. Suppose this is our database. Okay. In this database, many tables will be there. Okay. We will create many tables inside the database. Right. First of all, we should not go to the to make the table as it is. We should make a database, or we should use the database that is available. Okay, like this, many tables will be there. Okay, in these tables, I will show you one table, right? Churn modeling. Okay, I have to clear it. Okay, now you can see this is one table. Okay, here you can see this one row is actually a record and one column is actually a field. Is it clear to all of you? One row of a table means record, one column of a row means field. Okay. So I'm using the same table here. Okay, I have made a database DB1. Okay. In the previous session, I have explained that in order to make a database, one should write the keyword that is create, then database. Then you can give any name to the database. I have given the name as DB1. Okay. After creating the database, you should use that database. Okay. Use the name of the database semicolon. Always remember, throughout the SQL query, you should put this a semicolon for each and every instruction, each and every code, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When you want, after creating the database, you may be wanting to, put some tables within the database. So in that case, you have to go to tables. Okay, right click over there. Then there is an option called table data import wizard. You have to click over there. Then you have to browse where the particular data set is there, like attribute data set. Okay, I'm clicking over this data set. I'm opening it. Okay, now next, right? Then I should click on next. Okay, then it will automatically show me that which particular column of that data set is of which data type. Like dress ID is of integer type, style is of text type, rating is double, like that. Okay, then I have to click on, this is the small representation of that particular table that I'm trying to install. Okay, always remember you should take CSV form. In this case, always the file should be in CSV form. Okay, then this to operation will start after clicking next. Okay, it got finished. Okay, then you have to click on next. Okay, then finish. Right, when you will refresh over there, attribute data set is also there. This is how you will insert a table. Is it clear to all of you? In my database, two tables are there, churn modeling and attribute data set. Okay, this is how you will insert a particular data set. Oh, sorry, table. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So earlier we used this churn modeling. All of you who are attending this class, this evening class for the first time, please go through the recorded session of the previous class. Okay. Now, since I'm using the same database, I should write use db1 semicolon. Okay. Always try to write the inbuilt functions in capitals. Okay, now I should run it. So when I will run it, it is showing like use db1. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what you have to do is that you are having in attribute dataset some columns are there, right? Like dress ID, price. Price is a numerical one. So I can try to actually take the sum of the whole price. Okay, the total price. Select for that. Okay, capital is better. Select. Okay, then you should write the keyword that is sum. Okay, sum. Then within bracket, you should write the name of the column. The name of the column is price I am taking. Okay, price. Right. Now what you should write is from the table name. What is the table name? Attribute dataset, right? So you should write attribute dataset. Let us see whether it will work or not. Okay, it is working. It is null. There is some issue. We will go with churn modeling. Okay. Maybe the data set is somewhat maybe having some issues. So in that case, I'm going with churn modeling. There are some columns. Okay, I'm taking credit score, right? Select sum, then within bracket credit score. Okay, so I'm taking the sum of this whole entire column, entire thing. Okay, this is the credit score. Okay, I'm taking the sum total of this, right? So from what is the name of this particular data set? All of you please tell me, are you sleeping or not? Let me check.
Churn modeling. Churn
What is the name of the
modeling.
table? Yeah,
Churn underscore
Churn
modeling.
modeling.
churn modeling, correct. Okay. So what we are doing, we are selecting sum of this entire column from the table. Okay. So I am selecting this one, run. Some issues with churn modeling. Okay. I spelled it wrong. That's why. Okay. Now it is showing what is the sum like. Is it clear to all of you? This is the total credit score. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you have done something wrong with the coding, this kind of cross mark will appear and it will show some error information. Okay, like churn modeling was wrong, na? MODEL was the correct thing. So that's why that was the issue regarding the table name. So it will show you what is the issue. And according to that, you can correct the next, that particular code. Okay, so that will help you to correct the wrong thing that you have done. So In order to get the average credit score, what inbuilt function should I use?
Can you please repeat?
So, what should be the key? See, for taking sum, I have taken SUL.
AVG.
AVG, correct. So, I'm selecting this entire thing, Control V, okay? Now, I'm writing over here, what should I write? AVG, average, okay? AVG. You can make it small also, no issues with that, okay? This is the average credit score. You can take small or capital, anything. This here case won't matter. Uppercase, lowercase, anything you can take. Okay, so that I am actually taking it so that everything is crystal clear. Like this is the inbuilt keyword, like select sum. They are inbuilt keywords, and this is the thing. Like credit score and churn modeling is not always there in SQL. This is based on our data set that we are using. Okay, this is the column name and this is the data set table name. Okay, so we usually as a coder, what we used to do is that we put this column name and table name always in small letters. Okay, and we put this inbuilt functions in capitals. You can make it small also, no issues with that. Okay, but better you go with capital letters. It won't throw any error if you are using any case. Okay. So now I want to know that how to find the minimum credit score. What should be the keyword for that? Please tell me. Minimum.
Min function.
Min function, correct. Min. Okay. I'm taking the same thing, that is credit score. Okay, then I should write from the table name. Okay, from, then the table name is churn modeling underscore modeling, right? Semicolon, right? So we are getting minimum credit score as 350. For maximum, it should be max, right? So I am selecting this entire thing, Control C, then Control V. Okay, instead of min, I'm taking max. Okay, and when I am running this particular code, what I'm getting is 850. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, if I am taking small letter also, same thing it will show. Okay, no change with that. Okay, you can see the same 850 will come over here. Oh, I have taken min now, that's why. Max. Okay, what it is showing 850 itself. So whatever case you are using, it won't matter. If I'm making this C as small also, no issues with that. This one as small also, no problem. Okay, it won't throw any error. Okay, so that is the advantage of SQL. You can say there is no case issue regarding it. Okay, in case of finding out the number of rows that a particular column is having, what should you use? What is the keyword that you should use? Anyone?
Count.
Anyone? Please tell me.
Count.
Count. Correct.
Count star.
Count star, or you can name the column as it is. Okay, you can put star, it will or the column name, it will show the same only because it is not having any nulls, no? Okay, it is showing 10,000. Okay, if I am taking any column also, it will show the same thing because it is the complete table. Okay, so number of rows will be same for a column or a table also. No issues with that. So I'm taking credit score. Okay. And when you will run this thing also, you will get 10,000 itself. Is it clear to all of you? See
Yes.
this
Yes,
table.
ma'am.
Yeah, this table is having 10,000 rows. Okay. You can see over here, it is having 10,000 rows. Okay, that's why it is showing. So for a column also, there is 10,000 row is there now. For each and every column, you can see that 10 rows are there. For entire table also 10 rows are there. So if you want to know the number of rows that is there, you can take star or you can take any column name. Okay, it won't be, it won't create any difference, right? I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And yesterday's class, I actually told you that how to find distinct entries, unique entries in a particular column. What should be the keyword used for that?
Distinct.
Distinct, correct?
Distinct.
Distinct.
Yes, distinct. So distinct, and you should write the column name. Okay. So I'm going with this balance. Okay. Balance, then the same thing from the table name. Okay. Okay. This will show you different balance. Okay. These are different balance. If you are taking some another column, like if I'm taking age, in that case, you can find people of different ages. That is there. Okay. Different ages.
We don't have to put age in brackets.
No, not required. It is a column name, no? So it's not required. Geography. Okay. France, Spain, and Germany. Okay, these are the three things that is getting repeated over and over again and again. Okay, France, Germany, and all. If you are taking gender, in that case, male and female will be shown. Okay. I'm taking gender. Right? Okay, male and female. This was explained in the previous class. Is it clear to all of you? Like this, many small inbuilt functions are there. Okay, in SQL. Is it clear to all of you, guys?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us take some other inbuilt functions which don't need a table, okay, which you can use as it is, right? So if you want to know present date, what should be the keyword? Anyone who know, please respond. Current date.
Get now function.
Okay, I'm telling you one very simple thing. Okay, select current date, na? So always remember CURDATE. Okay, bracket semicolon. Okay, when you will run it, you will get today's date. Okay, 2022 is the year. This is the month. This is the date. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple, na? Current date. And if you want to know current, time, what should you write? Everyone?
CUR time.
CUR time, correct. Okay, here I am editing it as time. Right, this is the time right now. You can check over here. Okay, now it became, again when you will run it, you will find, yeah, 6:25, right? So it is written like 18:25, the same thing. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Current date, current time. Okay, current date, current time. And if you want to get both together, then what should you write? Anyone?
Now.
Yes, correct. Okay, now I am running it. So current date and current time. Okay, this is how you will do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we get the time and date by separating the current date and current time by separating them with a comma?
Current date and current time.
For
Why comma?
example, you have written now function for getting the time and date. So can we, instead of writing now, can we separate current date and current time by comma and then we run that query? Then will it give the same output?
I'm not sure about it. Sorry. I have not
Okay, ma'am.
tried it yet. That's why. Okay. Now, we know that now function is giving us date and time both, right? So if you want the current day only, so in that case, you have to write day, okay? And within that, you have to write now, okay? Then always put semicolon. Okay, now you will run it. Then you can see today's 7th, right? 7th. So it is showing 7, right? Now I'm selecting it, Control V. Now if I want to find current month, what should I write?
CURMON.
No, no, no. I have to write month over here. That's it. Instead
Month
of day.
and then now.
Yeah, correct. Okay, when I will run it, you can see 10. Okay, it is October, right? 10. And if I want current year, what should I write?
Here now.
Year, yes,
Year now.
yes, correct, correct. Okay, Control V. So I should write year over here. Okay, year. Okay. So you can see it is 2022. Okay. So these are some inbuilt functions, right? Now, if I want to know today's day name, what should I write?
Day name.
Day name itself. Yes.
Day name.
Okay. So Friday. Today is Friday, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Please unmute your audio, whoever.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, not unmute, mute your audio. Okay. So if you want, I mean, to get a date before, so in that case, you can use date sub. Okay. Date underscore sub. Then within bracket, you should write now. Then you should have one bracket and then you should write interval. Okay. Then 1 week. Then semicolon. There is some issues. Let us see. It is throwing some error. Date sub. Oh, sorry. I forgot to write select. Okay. Select. And now it will be okay. It is showing date 1 week ago. Okay. So in case if you want date 30 days ago, what should you write? Anyone? What should I write?
Select date sub now interval 30
30?
days.
30 day, yeah. So I should write select date sub now bracket comma interval 30 and then semicolon. Okay, 30 days ago this was the date, means 7th September 2022. Today is 7th October 2022. Okay, then if I want some year ago, like some 30 years ago, what should I write?
The day place we have to write here.
Date.
30 year.
Yeah. So select date sub within bracket now, then bracket, after that comma, comma interval, then what should I write, everyone?
30
Year.
year.
30 year. Okay, let us see. Okay, so 1992, 7th October 1992. Okay, like this you can check out different things. Okay, so this is what we have discussed today. Like, everyone understood that how to upload a CSV file in your SQL? Is it clear to all of you?
Anna,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the difference between SQL and PL SQL?
It is SQL and PL SQL.
Yeah.
I think, I mean, I have not tried PL SQL yet. So, but one of my friend told me that it is very difficult compared to it. I'm not very clear about it, PL SQL. Okay,
Is there any difference? Like there would be some difference, right?
there will be difference always. You can
Do
say
we have procedures, triggers,
the
etc. in MySQL?
procedures oriented, and SQL is structure oriented. Okay.
Yeah.
SQL is basically relational database, no? And PL SQL we will use programs in blocks like procedures, functions, and all. I think that SQL, although SQL is not supporting data variables, but PL SQL will do, I guess. That may be the difference. Okay.
Yeah.
The MySQL that we are using is very light version of SQL. PL SQL is somewhat more complex, I guess. More
What do
complex query.
SQL developers use?
Huh?
What do SQL developers use? Like PL SQL or simple SQL which we are doing?
As far as data analyst is concerned, MySQL is enough for you. But regarding SQL developer, I guess PL SQL would be better. I think so. Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, PL SQL is a block kind of, block structured language it is. Okay. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
And in PL SQL, maybe there some loops and all things will be there, like while loop, loops.
Yeah, loops are there. Actually, I was learning PLSQL, so
Yeah. I have not used
are more
PLSQL
complex.
data. That's why I can't say everything very clearly.
Yeah,
But this may be the difference, I guess. My friend told me
it
that.
is being used on Oracle SQL developer.
Yes. Okay. So, so we discussed the sum, sum function. Oh, okay. So we discussed this sum function, right? And we discuss average function, min function, max, count, distinct, okay? Then some inbuilt function which don't require any tables like current date, will CUR date, okay? Current time, now, and some other functions like day, month, year, day name and all. And how to get date or a time, a date some days ago, some week ago, some year ago. Okay, this is some simple inbuilt function. So try out this thing. Students who are actually new in yourshops.com, all of you please install MySQL in your system. Okay, right? I'm stop sharing. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am, there is one
Yes.
request to you, ma'am. Can you please share the link of the previous uh, lecture that was held on previous Saturday?
I have not shared it yet. Let me check 1 minute. Huh? I think that I have shared it. Let me check. Wait a second. Always, I am actually putting everything in the same link itself. Okay. Churn modeling. September 30 was that day, right? Last Saturday. No, so not September. Yeah, September 30, right? I have actually uploaded one session on that date, I guess.
Actually I have
Yeah,
joined
import
from today.
CSV file in MySQL. There is one session like that. Please check out that one. Is it? Okay, one more session would be there. I will check that thing and I will upload it. Okay. Dimension reduction import MySQL. Okay. I will check out if I have missed something now. And I will upload this session also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope everything is clear to all of you. Next class, I will try to discuss this joins and all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I'm having one doubt in Power BI. Can I ask now?
Yeah. What is the doubt?
Yeah, ma'am, have you told that how to remove that entire null values? I mean that null columns that I got it. So in task 2 data set, I found that null values in between the rows. How to remove that particular row, ma'am?
Regarding machine learning and all, data cleaning is somewhat very important, and it is done by imputing the null values and all. But regarding this particular data set, it is sales data set and we can't simply impute them. So do one thing, use the same data set, okay? And whatever nulls that are coming in the visual, you can eliminate that nulls there itself. Okay, I can show
Okay.
you how. Okay, wait a second.
Yes.
Okay, if this is your, visual in which this pink color is null, okay, you don't want this particular slice. So what you should do is you should click over it, right click over it, and you should click on exclude. Okay, it will get eliminated. Is it clear
Okay,
to
ma'am.
you?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, that is how you will do.
Okay, ma'am.
What do you? Hello.
Wait a second.
Uh,
Okay.